without further ado, let's go inside! Hello guys! Welcome back to our channel. For today, we are finally unveiling our new studio. So it's just behind this door. I will be showing you everything. And of course, if you guys are still interested, just please keep on watching. Okay guys, so before we go inside the room, I just have a few details to tell you. So you will not be seeing any bed here because it's not a bedroom. It's just a studio room and a vlog room whenever I need to vlog and shoot. And it can also be a family room for us that we can definitely utilize, because before it only used to be a guest room whenever we have guests and family coming over. But that doesn't really happen very often. So most of the time, it's just a storage room. So without further ado, let's go inside! Okay guys, so welcome to our studio, or a vlog room, or what my dad also calls prayer room. It's really a small room, but I'm still gonna show you guys the items, the furniture that we bought. Mostly are from Ikea, so let's go ahead and start. So I think this is a good starter. So these are just our baby pictures. My older sister, that's me right there. I have a big tummy. Can you see? Ang laki ng tiyan ko. I have big eyes then. And then of course my little sister right here. So we have black and white pictures. The frames are from also Ikea. I'll put the link below and how much it is, because if I'm not mistaken, there's an Ikea in the Philippines. I think it will be opening soon. So I'll give you guys a link for that. And then the next one is this. Oh, I love this way too much. This is the floor mirror. I think it's 129. So recently, I'm sure you guys are aware, medyo nauuso yung mga big mirror, lalo na sa Philippines. Kasi of course, we're at home, we have so much time. So we have so much time decorating our houses. At first, we're actually wanting a bigger mirror with like a full arc or something. But I think this is just perfect with the wooden border, I would say. Ang dami ko nang na-take na pictures dito guys, and it's really perfect. I love it. So yeah, that's that. Moving on, so we have these pants right here, and of course this rug. This is also from Ikea. This is the small version of the rug. Okay, moving on, we have these 5 artworks. So the artworks are from Amazon. Quick story, we actually initially wanted our own pictures and we would have someone do an illustration. But hindi naman kami model, and it wouldn't look as good as these ones, so we just picked some from Amazon. The frames are also from Ikea. Is it? No, sorry! The frames are from Amazon pala, sorry. Funny story is nung nagsisimula kami ilagay sa frame siya, so as you guys may notice, mayroong 3 babae. And sabi namin, sobrang perfect kasi yung 3 babae. It represents us so much, me and my sisters. So let's start with my older sister. She's this one. She's kinda shy most of the time. She's an introvert, but also into fashion. So that's her. And this is my younger sister. Brave and bold and strong and independent. So this is her. This is so perfect. And then of course, this is me. Maarte. So you guys know it already. Maarte. So yeah, that's how I think it's really perfect. I love it. Kami din yung nag-frame ng lahat. Paho, ganun-ganon. So much work, but so worth it. Yay, I'm happy. And then, moving on, we have this chair right here. So this chair is from Ikea. I wanted this kasi pag nagbo-vlog, it's perfect. So we initially bought a bigger couch for this one. It's a recliner. So inassemble namin siya. It came in after like a week. And then nung nilagay na namin dito, it's so much bigger pala. We ended up moving that recliner to our living room, and then I bought a smaller one which is from Ikea, which is I think just perfect. And the color is also beige yellow, which I think matches our theme in the room. So we also have this side table. This is also from Ikea. I think this is $59. Medyo pricey if you would think, kasi side table lang naman siya. We really don't use side table much. Papatungan mo lang yung drink or something. Pero I think the style yung nagpamahal talaga sa kanya. Here, the white arc, and itong parang wooden design. And then next one is this hello walang battery. Itong hello design natin, this is only from Five Below. So this is only $5, guys. And then of course we have a plant right here. And then this pillow, meron pa tayong tag. This is also from Five Below. So just $5. So yes, that's it. So far, I hope you guys are enjoying this. I hope I'm not talking so fast. Okay, next is this. Ano bang tawag dito? This... Anong tawag? What do we call this?
A beanbag.
A beanbag! Thank you! Thank you so much. So we got this from Burlington. $50 ata siya. Fun fact, this is the very first item that we got for this room. At first, we really don't have a design yet or a peg. And then when we bought this, finally, dun parang nag-mash lahat ng mga ideas namin, which is perfect. So that's when we started the furry, white, beige kind of theme, the minimalistic theme. And then our pillow right here, nap, the reason why I'm late. This is also from Five Below, so just $5, guys. And it's perfect kasi if you guys know me, grabe ako matulog. I love sleep way too much. Pag nasandal lang ako, maya-maya tulog na ako. So that's perfect. So that's that. And then next one is this table of ours. This table is from Ikea. So, funny story about this is, this is only $29. So, mas mura pa to kaysa dito sa $59 natin. I don't know why, but I think simple lang kasi siya, kaya it's only $29. So, we have this table whenever we're editing or whenever we're eating. We can also eat here, I guess. And then, of course, we have this rug right here. This white rug. This is once again from Ikea. Grabe. Puro Ikea ang ating gamit, guys. So, we have that. And then, right here, meron lang tayong patungan and my sister's Chanel box. That's it. And then, this flower right here and this very nice mirror. This is from Ross. I think this is on sale. Parang, I can't remember na. Pero I'll put the link in the tag price right here or somewhere here. We have one more corner to look at. But before that, I just want to say na we decided this white curtain because we just wanted to make sure that the room feels airy, cool, and clean place that we can actually enjoy. So that is why. And then also, let me actually bring the camera. The reason also is, so whenever we're taking a selfie here, a mirror selfie, we have that white curtains. And then if we're doing a full body selfie, just looks pretty. So this is our little corner. We have this, I'm sure kung portraits or something, just a decoration, I guess. So she believed she could, so she did. Story about this is we actually bought this for both of my sister's graduation party. So it was supposedly a decoration for that party. But of course, because of the pandemic, we had to cancel. And we really never got the chance to display it somewhere inside the house for some reason. We have this picture. This is from Bohol, Philippines when we visited last year. And of course, we have this. This is from Target. Super nice. I just got this yesterday and it's super lovely. Yeah. From Target siya. And we have this mannequin. I don't know. So we have this. This is also from Ikea. Walang price, pero I'll let you guys know. So what's nice about this is you can decide, parang you can move her. I'm assuming it's a her because it's a room. So you can move her and you can do whatever you want. Kung ballerina ba yan or something. Yan. Ta-da! Yan. Perfect. I love this super small area. Parang it's so nice lang tingnan. Perfect. And then last one is our bookshelves. We will go at each one because I have a story for each one. Actually, we also have this pillow then. Kasi parang perfect lang siya if you wanna just chill, read a book, or something, di ba? We feel like kailangan nga ng daybed dito kasi parang super comforting ng room. Parang ang sarap lang matulog. So yeah, we might add a daybed. I'll update you guys if we ever decide to do that. But let's start with the first row. So, there's a picture of me and Jake. This is all from August 2019. That was last year. We have this Instax camera. This is a gift from Jake last year. And then we also have an illustration here. This is Let me just take a moment to actually thank Illustration by Easy for this illustration. This is called a line pop art. It's really nice. So we have 7 of these made. I just decided to print 2 of those. So this is a picture from 2017. So nung nagpa-grad pick kami ni Jake, sabay kami nagpa-grad pick, and then mayroong creative shot. So it's this one. And then the second one is from 2019 last year when we visited the Philippines. So I'll be showing you guys the other 5 pictures that I got from Illustration by Easy. I'll put her link down below so you can message her. She's really great. Super galing niya. And then what else? So we also have this cute decoration and we have this box. Ano bang tawag dito? What do we call this?
Treasure box.
Treasure box, yes. My niece said treasure box. So we have this treasure box. This is actually from Jake. So I made sure na yung mga nakalagay dito is merong story just so maybe I can share it with you guys. And it's a good decoration lang din. So, treasure box. So, what's inside the treasure box? So, we have this medical pill. So, it looks like a medical pill. There's something inside. And since this is Jake, we know na may effort siya. Let's try and open one. So, binigay niya sa akin to 2018. So, that's 2 years ago already. So, I'm not sure. Oh, okay. So, the blue pills are actually the reasons why he loves me. I'm not sure how many are these, but what we got is your fate. Need I say more? So he loves my fate, I guess. I think it's also nice once in a while to take a look at it. And then what else? We have these books right here. This one is actually a gift from Kampilan. Hi, Ates and Kuyas. They gave it to me when we were just about to leave. So sa despedida party, this is their gift. And we have this Art of War gift from one of the special people in my life. Hi, Ate Jam. Thank you for your gift. Yeah, so that's that. On to the next shelf is the Chanel bag. It's not mine, guys. Hindi ito sa akin. It's my older sister Chanel bag. It's a classic double flap, something like that. So that was actually her gift to herself when she graduated college. So she just graduated this year as summa cum laude. So she's really smart. She deserves it. So regalo niya yan sa sarili niya. And then we just have that candles right there. And then next is this award. Oh. So this is 2019 Employee of the Year Heart of the House. Quick story about this. This actually happened in February of this year, but the award was for the year of 2019. So when we went to the employee party, I wasn't really expecting na merong awards palang mangyayari. I was drinking my wine and then all of a sudden the general manager called my name and then they called me dun sa front to announce the Employee of the Year. First of all, hindi ko alam na mangyayari yun that day, so really shock ako. So what more pa nung nanalo ako. As in super gulat ba talaga. So yeah, that is really special. I brought it home. So usually they would keep it in their desk as an inspiration or something. But I decided to bring it home kasi the reason why I won naman is my family. So yeah, that's why. So I keep it there. And then next, we have books then. Ikea, this is my older sister's book, and we have this very special Soul Surfer book. Ate Hannah, thank you for this book. Also, meron ditong letter. Ayan. So sweet. And we have this other books. And then lastly is, aray, tumikit. And then lastly is just this Gucci box. That is the Ace P sneakers, something like that. Just a Gucci sneakers. That is a gift from my older sister. Thank you so much, Ate Ally. Gift niya yan this year, so that's why we kept it there. And just a few of our books right here. And then I think that's it. That is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching our semi-room tour. We hope you guys enjoyed this. If you do have any questions or comments for us, please don't forget to leave it down in the comment section below. Thank you so much. If you did like this video, please don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, and also please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This is Eliza, and we are sending love and light your way from the US to the Philippines. We'll see you guys in the next one.